Today is Thanksgiving, and I love Thanksgiving. This is my first Thanksgiving, and it was so exciting. I got to have turkey. I got to have mac and cheese. I got to have some hash brown casserole, some green beans, some broccoli. It was so good. I might have had a little extra turkey than what I was supposed to. So, Mom gave me a whiskey and a Kaylee's, each a can of pumpkin. So she said it would help our digestive system and make it so we're not pooping all over the house tonight, which is good because Mom doesn't want to clean up poop. Hey, guess what? We have 36 hours and we're going to go pick up my brother. I am so excited about my brother. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. Mom showed me pictures. I just can't wait. She says it's a long drive, but we're going to hang out with Grandma Judy. And well, everybody loves Granny. I can't wait to go on this trip.